Here is an early bird Thanksgiving treat for you all. Learn to draw an adorable turkey using the drawing desk. Let's get into the video. Start by opening Sketch Desk and adding a few drawing layers. For the turkey hat, use the circle from the Shapes library. And adjust the size using the Layer Transform tool. Sketch the top part of the hat. Then in another layer, draw the face of the turkey. And fill it with colors. Then draw the eyes using the marker pen. Add the shading for the beak with the spray tool. Add a few more circles inside the eye. The turkey face is already there. Add another drawing layer and draw the base part of the turkey. Again, using the circle shape, draw the body of the turkey. Sketch the front and back body wings of the turkey. We are going with blue color. Now we are going to the legs. Sketch them in yellow and fill them it. Now add two different colors for the wings. Looks unique, doesn't it? Now for the roller brush magic. Add the highlights for the whole turkey using the roller brush. Then draw the pumpkin. Thanksgiving is not fulfilled without pumpkin. Check out the linked video of how to draw the jack-o'-lantern. Again, use the roller brush to give highlights to the pumpkin. Then draw some autumn leaves with some yellow shade. Then copy and paste the leaves and add a few in the background. Then fill the background with a light color. Add shading for the overall artwork. Add the buckle for the turkey. And that's it. Draw this turkey now on Drawing Desk for free. Also, grab our Black Friday offer.